Hello everybody, my name's Claudine from Fair SEO. I've put together as promised earlier in the week a little video that's just going to show you what a Google My Business is, what it looks like, and I've also got a few statistics. I've also got two examples of our current customers and the keywords that we're ranking them for onto page 1 on Google. So I've Googled car insurance Doncaster as a search term. And typically page 1's made up of 3 key areas. So we've got the paid advertisements here at the top. We've got the GMB, Google My Business or Google Maps section, because I know some people get a little bit confused.com at the terms, and what it actually means. So if you hear me say GMB, Google My Business or Google Maps, this is the area of page 1 on Google that I'm referring to. And underneath there we have the websites, or the organic searches. So when people are typing in something like I have, car insurance Doncaster, trying to find it again, car insurance Doncaster, almost 50% of people will then go to this section here, the GMB section. And from this section, they can get every bit of information they need about your business or service. So approximately 86% of people will use this section to find out your business location. 54% will look for your business hours. 50% will look for your address. And 45% will look to see if a product's available. 18% of local searchers so 18% of people, or searching locally, will actually purchase something from you in that day. So if you're not up here, for the taking, then you're missing out on massive business opportunities, potential leads, potential customers. Now I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to go incognito now to show you a couple of our customers. So I've gone incognito, so obviously it's not remembering any of my previous searches or anything like that. So Paula has a salon based in Pontefract, and she started to offer children's spa parties, and she wanted, the spa parties to have more exposure, online, and more visibility, and to get that service out there. So one of her keywords that she wanted us to concentrate on was Pamper Party Pontefract. You can see here that Paula comes up at the top of the Google My Business. So if I click on her here, this is what she looks like. So you can see she's got reviews, you can see where she's based, straight away her address, opening hours, contact number. You can see she's got some photographs. And below here we've got her reviews as well. So if I just bob back, another guy that we've got is no, I've got another. Oh, sorry, I'm jumping ahead. So I've done the Pamper Party Pontefract, and one of her other keyword searches as well was Kids Spa Party in Pontefract. And here you can see that she actually dominates the whole right hand side of page 1 on Google. So if you type in, now Kids Spa Party Pontefract into Google, you should see that exposure, takes up all this section. So, this is what I wanted next. So we have a guy called Window Repairs Barnsley. One of his keywords that he wanted us to concentrate on was Mr. Window Replacement Barnsley. And he's again at the top. He's got 5 stars, 49 reviews, so he's doing really well. Straight away you can see his contact number. We can click on him if we want to. You'll see his pictures, his opening hours, contact number. You can have on here basically whatever you want, and the more, we can work together to fill this out for you, you know, the more you're meeting customers' needs. So I'll just show you another search term he wanted to be found for, which was glass replacement Barnsley. Again, he's at the top. You can also see a little snippet as well of one of his reviews there. So that's them two, you know, examples of the service that we're offering. Now I'm just gonna, move from incognito. So for Windows repairs then, this is his Google My Business Insights. So over the past week, we can see that he's had 181 searches. In the past month, he's had 1,117 searches. And in the last quarter, you know, almost 4,000 searches. Now, the blue area is the area where people have found him or come across him, through purely, as it says here, customers who find your listing searching for a category, a product or a service. So they're not searching him because they're typing in his name specifically, they're finding him through his keywords. Almost 4,000 people a month are finding him as a window repair service, service that in Barnsley. So that's a massive, amount of people. Now let's have a look at Kids Spa Party. So she's getting approximately 88 searches a week, 385 in the last month, and 1,712 over the last quarter. And again, a load of that, 93% of that search total is coming from people searching for her keywords. So just to wrap up really, I hope I've made a little bit more sense about what a Google My Business is and what we're doing currently for our customers. And just to say, there's no shortcuts when it comes to improving your rankings on Google. It has to be a long-term process that provides accurate, consistent information that gives the user, if you like, a positive experience. And obviously it's got to meet their expectations. When you're on page one on Google, it's proving to your customers and it's proving to Google that you are committed in meeting the needs of your target audience. Because if you weren't doing that and weren't putting the time and the effort in that you need, that you wouldn't be up there, on page one on Google. So I suppose that is one of our main jobs. We're here to support and work with businesses and for businesses to make sure that their profile has everything, optimized and everything brought together so that when somebody is searching for a service or a product that they offer, that they come to you and they're clicking on you because they can find everything that they need about you and what they want, through that section. So if anybody does want to know any more information, then by all means drop me a little message below or a comment and I can get in touch with you direct. So have a great weekend, everybody. And I hope I've explained a little bit more to you about GMBs. Okie dokie, bye.